Welcome to qnawire.
Hello students, when in the question they given that rolling a 2 dice, that given outcome is 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3 up to 1, 6, then 2, 1 up to 2, 6 and 3, 1 up to 3, 6, then 4, 1 up to 4, 6, then 5, 1 up to 5, 6 and 6, 1 up to 6, 6. Now here the sample space is sum of the two numbers appears on the faces. That is, our S is equal to 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 2, 3. Likewise, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. This is our sample space and the number of samples which is equal to 36. Now for the subpart 1, suppose the event A which is equal to 2 number added, we get 5. Therefore our A is equal to 5, 5, 5, 5. The number of A, that is number of getting 5 in the sample space is 4. So the probability of A is equal to n of A divided by n of S, which is 4 by 36. We get 0.1111. Now for the subpart B, suppose the event B that 2 number adding, we get at least 9, which is B is equal to 9, 9, 10, 9, 10, 11, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So the number of B which is equal to 10. Then the probability of B, which is number of B divided by number of S, that is 10 by 36. We get 0.2778. I hope you found the video useful. Thank you.